This is Shyam Chetwani, and we have she has just now completed a financial consultation session with Ms Malini. She is from Bangalore. She is working with one of the IT company, leading IT company, and we had amazing discussion so far. We are connected since more than 2 hours from now, and we have a deep discussion about her financial planning and all. So, Ms. Malini, I just wanted to know your feedback, your takeaways. How you feel? How was your mindset before coming to the one-to-one, and how you are feeling now? Up to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for taking this time and effort. And thanks to Shankar, sir, also through him, I got you this opportunity. And this is my first one-to-one with such detail, going every detail, like where I stand and what is my dream, aspiration, and goals, and what are my challenges. So we went through the every part of the pyramid beautifully, like crystal clear, where I can understand where I'm not. Involved in few sections detail, but you took the time, extra time and interest to explain the things how it is, rather than just going over the air, so that I really understand with the picture, logical reasoning, and the numbers. So, and every tool and everything you were like open. There is nothing like any question I ask, you are ready to answer and give that real answer that where I feel justified and I feel okay, I got the point, that level. And really thank you so much, sir, for coming into our life and taking this journey to touch millions of people, because we are really struggling. We don't know how to handle money for whatever reasons of the environment and everything, right? I am in this journey of knowing the financial literacy from so many years, the time I started earning, but I'm not getting the clarity what to do. And today I feel that I got that connect. And I got that hope and clarity. What should I do? What is the action? So thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedant. Thank you for the kind words. Just one thing I would like to know, which really you liked a lot, and which really turn up your mind to a next level. Like this is something amazing.
Sir, this something like we always, like you told, if you see my allocation, everything, like I have taken half on the insurance part and the rest I have moved to equity, but nowhere else. But when you told that we should concentrate on the guaranteed plan, that was the one eye-opening, sir, where I started with equity and I see I don't go anywhere there currently, like whatever past 1 or 2 years, right? I didn't go anywhere because there is no guarantee, right? That's the real eye-opening to me. Like, that's the reason I understood what is the guaranteed plan and how a mutual fund is gonna help me. So that was one thing, sir.
Great, great, great. So you really, even I personally enjoyed talking to you. You was taking a very deep interest. So even it motivated me to give you more and more inputs. So that was also one of the factors for me. And you really doing well. You already have a good assets in place, but the little management will help you grow the assets and all. So I believe you already got your inputs. You are very clear with the things which we have to take forward now. So we'll get connected. We'll stay in touch, and we'll be
So
happy to help you in future also.
thank you.
So looking forward to see you, and thank you very much, and wishing you a very financially free life very soon.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a great life and touch millions of people to financial abundance and freedom. Thank you so much.